everyone, my name is John and I'm the Science Educator for Children's Museum Houston, and we are in our HEB market today to do a little experiment. And today's experiment is sponsored by our friends at HEB. So all you'll need today is some soda, some vinegar, some coffee, and some hard-boiled eggs, and we'll get started. Once you have your hard-boiled eggs ready, we're going to test what will happen to the egg's shell by placing it in soda, then vinegar, and then finally into coffee. And then we'll wait 24 hours to investigate what happened. Now that we've waited 24 hours, now we get to check out each different egg. We're going to start with our soda. So I have a pair of tongs that I'm going to grab our egg to kind of see what it looks like. Whoa, it's kind of slippery, but it is completely stained. It was a white egg when we put it in, and now it is completely stained. And so this is why we need to brush our teeth after we drink soda, because we don't want our teeth to look like that. Now let's test out our coffee egg. Well, it's definitely stained as well, so definitely remind your parents who are drinking coffee to brush their teeth, but it's not as bad as the soda. But what about our vinegar egg? If we pull this out, it also looks like a reaction has happened. There's all these different bubbles. Now let's see what actually happened here. Oh my gosh, this is completely squishy. There's no shell on this anymore. Now what happens when this drops into the vinegar is a reaction starts to happen. The shell is made of calcium carbonate. And so when this reacts with the vinegar is getting absorbed into the egg. When that reaction happens, it actually creates something called carbon dioxide. So all those little bubbles that are on top, that's all because the calcium carbonate is turning and resulting in carbon dioxide, which we breathe out. And so there is no shell on this egg anymore, and it's actually a little bit bouncy. So you can actually drop it just right on your table and it won't crack, it is now, you have this little squishy rubber egg that you can play with, but don't throw it too hard because it will break at some point, but it's a lot squishier than the two other eggs that still have their shells, even though they're stained. Now you guys should try this out at home and let us know what you find when you test your eggs in a bunch of different fluids. Thank you so much. My name is John, coming to you from Children's Museum Houston, and we'll see you next time.